like this Kamusta is like, well, just, to give a little bit background, Ji Chang-wook is our main cast. He's the very famous South Korean star.
And then ito na siya last week.
Started, yeah, I know. But we just came back, like from Korea. I mean, this one is trying to, the Filipino culture, bringing out the Filipino culture, all the Filipino migrant workers. We just had, we just finished the Pinoy Day there. So it was so fun. And Ji Chang-wook is like all out.
How did we manage to book Ji Chang-wook and get on board with the idea? Barkada.
Sorry.
His
Marco
friends.
is the one who brought a water pump.
Yes,
Water pump is the one.
Okay.
He's friends with Ji Chang.
And of course, the Filipino celebrities. I know the ones we saw, may iba pang mga guests.
Janela Salvador, Francine Diaz, R.C. Munoz, Jody Santa Maria,
Wow.
and like Chef JP Anglo.
Sino po
We have special guests also, but we can't say it for now.
I heard that Ji Chang-wook was also hands-on.
Very hands-on, right? Super hands-on. Like in every episode, he's just there checking on the camera, everything. He's very professional.
Wow.
Very, very
So,
professional.
what can the Filipino and Korean fans expect from Kamusta?
What can they expect?
This is the first collaboration between Filipino and Korean, and then
More Korean actors.
more Korean actors, and then we are now just planning to bring the Korean actor to Philippines.
We're gonna do a series there.
We just finished actually our shoot, and it's actually, there's still one more day, but then because it's in Gangnam area and it's like quite a famous area there, so everybody's like all out and trying to see everybody there. In Korea, it's like it's coming out everywhere already.